Forget California in 1849, forget the Klondike. The next great gold rush isn't on Earth, it's up there, on the moon, in asteroids, and it could change our world forever. Sound like science fiction? Well, buckle up because it's happening right now. Companies and entire nations are pouring billions into a race to extract the hidden treasures of the cosmos. But what exactly are they looking for, and how do they plan to get it? Stick around and find out. Let's be real. Down here on Earth, resources are becoming scarcer and more expensive to extract. Plus, traditional mining? Well, it's not exactly eco-friendly. But what if I told you that just a few 100,000 miles away, there's an almost limitless supply of the materials we need? The moon and asteroids are loaded with precious metals, rare minerals, and something that could be the key to clean, limitless energy. We're talking about an industry that could transform the global economy as radically as the Industrial Revolution did. Our old friend, the moon. It's not just a pretty light in the night sky. Its surface, that dust called regolith, hides incredible secrets. No, not cheese, but definitely iron, titanium, and thorium. But the real lunar jewel is something called helium-3. Helium-3 is extremely rare on Earth, almost non-existent. But on the moon, thanks to eons of bombardment by solar wind, there's tons of it. And what's it for? Well, it could be the future fuel for nuclear fusion reactors. Imagine. Energy 250 times greater than what it would cost to extract and transport it. Potential value trillions with a T of dollars. Companies like the American firm Interloon are already planning to go for it in 2027 with their Prospect Moon mission. Can you imagine lunar fuel for Earth? And that's not all. At the lunar poles, there could be gigantic deposits of water ice, drinking water for future colonists, and rocket fuel by splitting the hydrogen and oxygen. The moon could be our cosmic gas station. But wait, there's more. If the moon is a treasure chest, then asteroids are flying gold mines, literally. These leftovers from our solar system's formation are packed with platinum, nickel, cobalt, gold. A single small asteroid rich in platinum could be worth billions. The best part? Many of these metals are right on the surface, no massive digging required, and with their low gravity, landing and taking off is easier. Companies like AstroForge are planning their first asteroid extraction mission for around now, in 2025. They'll use robots, artificial intelligence, and even 3D printing to make tools right there in space. Goodbye to costly shipments from Earth. Think about the nickel and cobalt for our electric car batteries. Space could be the key to a more sustainable future. Okay, it sounds incredible, right? But it's not as simple as sending up a shovel and a bucket. First, the cost. Getting just 1 kilogram of material to the moon costs around 1 million euros. Yes, you heard that right. Though this is expected to drop with reusable rockets like those from SpaceX. Then there's the small legal detail. Who owns all this stuff? The 1967 Outer Space Treaty says space is for everyone, and no one can claim it. The Moon Agreement reinforces this, but the major space powers haven't signed it. And countries like the USA and Luxembourg already have laws allowing their companies to own what they extract. Imagine the arguments. Are minerals nobody's property that the first one there gets to keep? It's the space Wild West. Despite the technical, economic, and legal challenges, one thing is clear. Space mining is rapidly moving from science fiction to imminent reality. The United States, China, Russia, Europe, everyone is gearing up. This new era will demand the best of us, engineers, scientists, lawyers, even visionaries. It could be the solution to many of Earth's problems and the first step towards becoming a truly interplanetary civilization. The question is no longer if it will happen, but when and who will lead this new revolution. What do you think? Should we exploit space resources? Who should own them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this blew your mind as much as it did mine. Subscribe for more journeys into the future, and share this video so the world knows the next gold rush has already begun. See you in the cosmos.